Getting blocked by Vanguard Error Van84 when launching League of Legends? Whether it's a network conflict, a corrupted anti-cheat file, or a service that won't start, this error can keep you out of the game entirely. Stick around, we will break down exactly what causes it and how to fix it step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for fast, reliable tech fixes and gaming guides. Today, we are tackling Vanguard Error Van84 in League of Legends, a frustrating issue that's been locking players out of matches. We will walk you through the most effective solutions from reinstalling Riot Vanguard to enabling key services, so you can get back to climbing the ranks. Method 1. Uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard. Launch Run Utility. Type Control in the Run command box and press the Enter key. Set the view by category to small and large icons. Select Programs and Features. Under Uninstall or Change a Program, locate Riot Vanguard, right-click on the program and select the Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. Vanguard will be automatically installed on your PC. You can also restart your PC and check. Method 2. Enable VGC service. Open Services app using Windows Search. Scroll to find VGC service. Right-click on the service, then select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start, then apply on OK. Method 3. Enable VGC in System Configuration. Open System Configuration using Windows Search. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services. Scroll and ensure VGC is checked. Click Apply and select OK. Restart your PC. This applies the changes and should resolve the Van84 error. Method 4. Disable your third-party antivirus program. The antivirus program that you are using may sometimes trigger Vanguard Van error. If you repair or uninstall the antivirus program, then you can get a steady solution. You may try to repair the antivirus first, and if the problem persists, clean uninstall it from your system. Check for the latest version available and choose to install it. Try using some other antivirus program and check if this solves the problem. Method 5. Update LOL. Riot Launcher installs all the latest patches of League of Legends, but when you are playing the game and a new patch is released, the game will not continue or trigger errors until you restart the game. So, exit the game and relaunch the Riot client. Click on LOL and check if there is any available update. If you find the latest update is available, wait till it is downloaded and installed. Then restart your device and run the game as an administrator. To do so, right-click on the desktop icon for League of Legends, select Show More Options, then Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Method 6. Run LOL in compatibility mode. If your system is having compatibility issues with the version of League of Legends, then also you can have same error. So, run LOL in the compatibility mode following the steps given below. Open League of Legends Properties following the previous method. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program in the compatibility mode for. Select a Windows version and click on the Apply button. Restart the PC and check if this helps, else move on to the next solution. Method 7. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows Search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapter section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver. Select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest version. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapter section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC, then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. If you have multiple GPUs for your system, then make sure to use the one for gaming, as this can tackle the graphics-intensive tasks well. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing the game. You can follow the method shown here. Check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. There are different other ways to check that, depending on your operating system and the specific card you have. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Expand Display Adapters. You should see 2 adapters listed here, one for your dedicated graphics card and one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card will have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so make sure to run the game with a higher memory size to avoid loading or crashing issues. And that's it. Your League client should be back online and ready for battle. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tips. Still stuck or found a different workaround? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the League community strong.